YouTube video. In this video I am going to discuss on what you need to know before investing in Ripple. Investing in Ripple. What you need to know before taking the plunge. Investing in Ripple is an increasingly popular choice for those looking to diversify their portfolio. The cryptocurrency has seen significant growth over the last few years, offering investors the potential for rapid returns. However, before taking the plunge, it is important to understand some of the risks associated with investing in Ripple. This article will provide an overview of the key considerations you should make when deciding whether or not to invest in Ripple. We will cover topics such as the technology behind Ripple, its potential to generate returns, and the various risks that you should be aware of before investing. By the end, you will possess the knowledge you need to make an informed decision about whether or not Ripple is the right investment for you. What exactly is Ripple? Ripple is a blockchain-based payment network that is designed to enable secure, fast, and cheap cross-border payments between a wide range of currencies. Founded in 2012, Ripple's network is a real-time gross settlement system that is designed to make international payments more efficient. The network has been built to cater to financial institutions that want to minimize their settlement costs and make their payment networks more efficient. Ripple's technology can also be used by individuals to transfer money between different currencies. The company's native token, XRP, is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, trailing only Bitcoin. The Ripple network is underpinned by an open-source protocol that allows payment providers and banks to process payments in real time. Ripple's network is decentralized, and its supply is controlled by a network of nodes. Ripple's network uses a consensus protocol that is based on a shared public ledger that records all transactions that take place through the network. Potential to generate returns. One of the key factors that potential investors should examine when assessing Ripple is its potential to generate returns. Ripple has grown significantly over the last few years. In 2017, it grew by more than 36,000. Investors should examine when assessing Ripple as its potential to generate returns. Ripple has grown significantly over the last few years. In 2017, it grew by more than 36,000. In 2018, it grew 99,000%. The company's high growth rate is a reflection of the fact that Ripple has been signing a number of high-profile partnerships with payment providers, banks, and financial institutions. For example, in 2017, Ripple partnered with American Express. Later that year, it partnered with SEB, Santander, and Westpac. In 2018, it signed partnerships with Saudi Arabia's National Commercial Bank and MoneyGram. These partnerships are significant for a number of reasons. Firstly, they show that Ripple is being adopted as a real-world solution for making cross-border payments. In the future, this could lead to significant price appreciation. Secondly, these partnerships have led many analysts to predict that Ripple's price will increase in the long term. As such, Ripple is likely to generate significant returns for investors over the long term. Risks of investing in Ripple. The Ripple network has not been around as long as some other cryptocurrencies. This means that its long-term viability is not certain. There is also the possibility that it will not be widely adopted by financial institutions. If this happens, then it could significantly reduce the value of Ripple. Another risk associated with investing in Ripple is that its network is controlled by a small number of nodes. This means that the network is more centralized than other cryptocurrencies and could be more susceptible to attacks. As such, Ripple's security could be compromised, and its value could fall as a result. There is also the potential that Ripple's technology could be superseded by newer blockchain networks. If this occurs, the value of Ripple will most likely decrease. Regulatory environment. Due to the fact that cryptocurrencies are relatively new, there has been a lot of uncertainty about how governments will regulate them. This has resulted in a number of countries introducing regulations that restrict the use of cryptocurrencies. For example, in 2018, China completely banned the use of cryptocurrencies. This meant that people were no longer able to invest in cryptocurrencies through exchanges. As a result, many cryptocurrencies saw significant price drops. Although Ripple was not banned in China, its price fell by more than 50% as a result of the Chinese government's decision. This highlights the fact that the value of Ripple could fall if governments impose stringent regulations. There is also the possibility that the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, will decide to regulate Ripple as a security. If this happens, then it would likely lead to significant price drops, as it would mean that investors would have to incur additional security costs when investing in Ripple. In addition, it could also result in Ripple being removed from some exchanges. How to invest in Ripple. Investing in Ripple is a relatively straightforward process, regardless of whether you decide to purchase Ripple's native token, XRP, or you decide to purchase shares in one of Ripple's platforms. The first thing that you will need to decide is how much money you want to contribute to your Ripple investment. This will depend on your budget, goals, and risk appetite. Once you have determined your investment amount, you will then need to decide whether or not to purchase Ripple's native token, XRP, or shares in one of Ripple's platforms. If you decide to purchase shares in one of Ripple's platforms, then this will likely be done through an investment fund. This is because the majority of investment funds will only accept large-scale investments. Alternatively, you can purchase Ripple's native token, XRP, through an exchange such as Binance or Bittrex. Conclusion. Ripple is a real-time gross settlement system that has been designed to make international payments more efficient. The company's network is decentralized, and its supply is controlled by a network of nodes. Ripple's technology can also be used by individuals to transfer money between different currencies. There are a number of key considerations that you should make when deciding whether or not to invest in Ripple. These include the potential to generate returns, the regulatory environment, and the risks associated with investing in Ripple. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell.